just left Portland. We're at Multnoma Falls. Up there. Beautiful. We're gonna go see if they'll let us in since our pass was for 10 o'clock. And it's past 10. Think we'll make it in?
It's only 2.
Two past? I don't know. We'll see. Maybe if you smile at them, or maybe if you start crying, because this was the one thing you wanted to do all vacation, right? Oh.
I wanted to see the cat sign.
Oh, great. What do you think, Connor? What do you see over here?
I don't know.
What's over on the wall over there? What do you see? What do you see behind us? What is it?
A waterfall.
A waterfall? There it is. Yeah. Oh, careful. Yeah, we're on a bridge, aren't we? See the bridge? Oh, look out there behind us. Pretty. What do you think? Can you feel it? Is it wet? Yeah, we're getting sprayed, huh? Who's this? Who's this knucklehead? There she is. Knucklehead.
Oh, we're doing a little bit off-roading. We're on our way to a waterfall. The pavement just ended. It's a little bumpy. You got some big potholes coming up too. We'll see where this leads us. Okay.
Now they're up to 8. We're about half mile in. Beautiful scenery here. Old logging area. So yeah, so far so good. We got a big road, a big hill here. I haven't seen a real person in a while. So, you know, typical trip here with Scooter and Peanut. Alright, well, not sure what's going on here. Oh boy. Ants, what are you doing? This is not good. This is not a nice big good idea. You sure you don't want to walk the rest of the way?
I want you.
How's this trail, everybody? Pretty good?
Pretty great.
Looks beautiful.
I know we do. I just gotta find it.
Keep going. All right, we'll see what happens. The ropes, everybody. Liv's showing you how to go down the steep. You're doing good. Just turn backwards and hold onto the rope and walk backwards. That's how you're supposed to do it. Don't do it that way. You're gonna ruin all of your stuff.
You know that.
Are you ready?
I don't know.
I mean,
See it from
you're gonna get down one way or the other.
What?
Here he comes.
Worried?
What do you think, Connor? Are you scared? Uncle Bean's got you. Let's go. Here we go. All right, here we go. you go, another rope section. You're doing awesome, Liv. There you go. Keep going. Good job. There you go. Here's where we hike to. It's a pretty little oasis of beauty. What do you think, Connor? Was that fun? Were you scared? No?
Are we supposed to go down?
I don't know. We don't know where to go now. Update, we're 2.5 miles into our hike here. Not quite sure where the waterfall is, but there's a beautiful moss tree there. Mom got some rug burn, but you know. We're not throwing rocks. We're just walking on them right now. No sight of a waterfall. Well, it turns out we went down the wrong trail. So now we're heading back up the rope trail to find maybe another trail. But look how clear this water is. Jeez. It's beautiful. Well, here's the stream, the thing. We shouldn't have listened to those other people, huh? Found the trail. It's pretty nice. Definitely not the other trail, but you know, seems fine. All right, we'll keep you updated. More rope work. What do you think, Liv? Scary? You're facing the wrong way again. Brandon's just kind of mountain goating it down here. Chaco's been up and down 4 times already. He's like, come on, Dad. That was easy. Rock! Where's Mom? I see her. All right, let's see if we can get to the bottom. Hey, Connor, how was that down the mountain? You had a good view, didn't you?
No.
Did you hold Daddy's stick for me? Yeah, thank you. All right, are you ready to see this waterfall? Maybe we'll see it, I don't know. We've done 2 rope climbs so far. We better see something, or I'm gonna ask for my money back, right? Yeah, okay, let's see. Hope Mom makes it down the hill safely. She'll make it down one way or the other, huh? Yeah. I'm in action. You did it, kinda. Be careful, because Aunt Vanessa just slipped right here. So don't think you're safe. Oh dear. Gonna use me? Yeah. And we're both gonna go down. Doing good, Mom. We're gonna get this on video to show the difficulty here. You're gonna have to step over the rope, maybe. You're on the wrong side of the rope. There you go. Look at it. You never knew your mom was a mountain climber, did you? Good job. Well, we made it. Turns out you just gotta get on the right trail, and then you can throw rocks till your little heart's content. All these rocks are gonna be gone by the time this little boy's done. Connor! Look at me! Connor! Yes! Oh, good throw. Oh, whoa! up the ropes. Victory. Walked up the mountain. See the vehicles. Hallelujah. The hike. What's this place called? The Waterfalls has been completed. Congratulations, everyone.